So if you close your eyes right now and you were to imagine with your eyes closed that you're sitting in a circle, maybe the circle is about arm's length all around you, and that circle is your space. It's as big as you need it to be. It can be 3 meters wide, 4 meters wide, but whatever it is, in that circle is you in the center of it, and it is your space. You could call it a boundary if you want. And nothing can get in that. Yeah, and maybe the circle is defined by petals of flowers or a rope or I don't know what, little trees, as you like. But that circle is there, and in that is your sacred space. And I want you to get a sense of it, because I want you to understand that more and more in your meditations, that if you sit and you acknowledge this space, your space, even with your eyes closed, you develop a container. This is my space. And you even start to develop a particular languaging that comes with it. Oh, this is my space. I have a right to be here. I give myself that right to be here. I give myself permission to be here. And in that space, you can invite anyone who is connected to your heart, whether it's your child to come sit on your lap, whether it's a loved one, present or past tense, to come put the hands behind you on your shoulders, and just to almost nurture that space. And this container becomes rich with resources. And you get to decide what comes in and what doesn't come in. Your container. And if you keep returning to this, what comes in and what you end up playing with and inviting, and the languaging that comes from the heart, more and more, what you will start to notice is you start to align to this within inside yourself. And it starts to strengthen something within you. My container, my space, my boundaries, my right to be here, my permission to be who I am. A place where I can really allow myself to breathe. A place where there are no demands on me or no expectations. A place where I can slow down. And in this container that you sit in, you are held by a bigger container, the unknown. One that is supporting you, that has your back, that is with you. And you can almost lean into that unknown with almost like a sense of pleasure. Being connected to it, being connected to yourself. It's intimate. And this is something that will support you coming into your container more and more, and it will ground you and stabilize you when life gets challenging, and it will hold you. more we can align to this, you will see resonance starts to happen. And all that stuff that we invested in other people outside of that circle starts to dissolve and has less weight on you, because this that you're strengthening inside has so much more value. Because you can feel yourself, because you can sense yourself, because you can be aware of yourself, present. Because you can welcome yourself, enjoy yourself. That's the inner work that starts to enrich inside of you when we really give ourselves that space and time to sit in that container and to strengthen that container each day. This is my space. I have a right to be here with all of my feelings, with all of my longing, with my sadness and my joy. Whatever comes, I can hold it with great presence and respect. I can give space to myself. Step by step, if you allow this to be part of your practice, of your life moving forward, and you include yourself more and more, and the energy that you invest outward, you invest inward. Little bit by little bit, you will see. It will give you back tenfolds. And one of the ways that can really support you as you move through life is to remember that gratitude, even if it's only some small things that you can be aware of at this moment of your life, is a doorway into your heart. And the heart is unconditional love. Will always love you. The language of the heart will always take care of you. Self-compassion, self-forgiveness. Self-respect. So if it feels right to you, you can even right now make a decision moving forward in your life that you will make a commitment to making space for yourself. To prioritizing yourself. To giving yourself permission. More of this, please. And as you, step by step, are in that container, you will see so much abundance will shower on you. You will be able to receive. you will be able to open. You will start to feel flow coming through you, allowing, and allowing comes natural. Letting in, and even a movement towards a deeper trust that everything's going to be okay will start to emerge. A gentle thank you to this beautiful heart of yours. And of course to yourself too. And when you're ready, you can let your eyes open.